So this is my indoor mesa that I do a lot of spiritual work. The whole living room is decked out as a spiritual altar, and I've been fortunate to do distant energy healing through my living room via Zoom during the times of COVID, and also a few special people that I've helped in plant medicine ceremonies, specifically psilocybin, right here in the living room. So I'm going to sing a healing song that came to me during an experience of psilocybin, where I was doing a solo journey, and I suddenly had all these repressed memories that came up, and I really thought I knew my own story. But it turned out that there was some holes missing. It was important for me to understand that. I understand now part of that process. And then there was a lot of synchronicity that happened after this song came to me. So what the song means is that we have this life rope, I imagine. It's kind of like DNA strands. And what I was shown was our whole life story weaves together this DNA strand I call it a life rope. And so when we have difficult life experiences, or say big psilocybin or ayahuasca experience, something that is needing to be weaved back into the story, this is the importance of integration. And this is also what I do now professionally, thankfully, as an integrative therapist. So here's my song that I've actually sung to other people, and they found it was helpful. But I believe that Mother Ayahuasca gave me this song to help me integrate the repressed memories that came up for me, so I didn't make a new story out of them, and instead weave them into this life rope, making a stronger rope. And that strong connection to source energy is what helps us then help other people. So here's my song. Na 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 One thing that I've really loved learning is that shamans sing a song to themselves as well as singing to others. And so my initiation of a song that came to myself happened last October in 2021. And since then, sacred songs continue to come to me, and I'm very thankful for that. But I think it was that I had to be ready for them to come. And so thank you, and many blessings to everybody on their heart journey.